We cannot wait further. I have already waited 5 minutes. Such a fun. Okay, the third question. I guess third question we have already done. I don't know. Tell me. Yes. Is the third question done or we have to do it like? बच्चों
सर फोर्थ से करना है, थर्ड तो आपने टेस्ट में दे दिया था।
अरे क्या बात है, तो गुस्सा कर रहा है मेरे ऊपर। सर आपने टेस्ट में दे दिया, अब क्या ही कराओगे आप थर्ड, है ना? तो थर्ड हो चुका है, गुड। फोर्थ से करना है। So let's start with the fourth question. A conical tent is 10 meter high and radius of the base is 24 meter. Okay, so there is a conical tent. Okay, so I have a conical tent here. Conical tent. Okay, so in this conical tent, is this getting recorded? Okay, getting recorded, nice. So I have a conical tent, something like this. Okay, yeah.
भैया
Can
आपने
we?
थर्ड एंड फोर्थ होमवर्क में दे दिया था, फिफ्थ से करवाना है आपको।
Okay, let's do fourth now. I don't know how many of you did it. Now I have started it. Let's do it, and you can recheck, right? So the height is 10 meter. This is the height, and the base is 24 meters. So this is the base. So base is 24 meter. The height is always perpendicular. Okay, find the slant height. So can you people tell me what will be the slant height in this diagram? This one, right? The slanting part.
यस, स्लांट है जिसकी वो है हाइपोटेन्यूज,
Hypotenuse.
पाइथागोरस हाइपोटेन्यूज,
And how can we find the slant height here? Using
पाइथागोरस थ्योरम।
Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So let's do this then. What's the square of 10? 100. The square of 24? Yes. What's the
100।
square of 24? Don't multiply. You should remember these. Up till 25, you will remember these. If we don't, do remember. Okay. Learn कर लो because in the future they
576।
will be helpful. So it's 26 meter. Okay. That's 26 meter. The slant height is 26 meter. Is this okay with everyone? It's quite easy.
Yes, sir.
यस भैया।
Slant height 26 meter. Now, cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter canvas is itna. Okay, so what does we mean by this? Okay, let's observe this cost of the canvas. What do you mean by canvas? What is canvas? Yes, do you know what a canvas is? टेंट जिस कपड़े का बनता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? कैनवस कहते हैं। अब मुझे बताओ, जब मैं कैनवस बनाऊंगा, ओके, आई विल मेक अ कैनवस, तो इसमें मैं कौन सा एरिया लूंगा? कर्व सरफेस एरिया लूंगा, टोटल सरफेस एरिया लूंगा, कौन सा एरिया लूंगा? आई डोंट नो।
भैया कर्व सरफेस एरिया।
कर्व सरफेस एरिया। हाँ भाई, सही बोल रहा है लड़का, जो हमारा लड़का बोल रहा है। इज दिस राइट? वी विल टेक कर्व सरफेस एरिया और टोटल सरफेस एरिया। यस,
Sir, curved.
curved. Why curved? Because I haven't seen कि canvas कभी जमीन पे लगता हो, वो
नहीं,
कारपेट होती
कर्व
है
लेंगे
एक्चुअली।
ना, क्योंकि बेस बेस हम कुछ लगाएंगे नहीं।
नहीं, बेस पे लगाते हैं,
बेस पे
बेस
तो
कारपेट, ठीक है, कारपेट जिसपे छोटे छोटे नन्हे नन्हे बच्चे से कूदते कूदते रहते हैं, निंजा हथौड़ी खेलते हैं, राइट? सो हम एक्चुअली में बेस पे नहीं लगाएंगे, कैनवस तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं लगाएंगे, ठीक है। अनदर वे टू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट इट इज आस्किंग अस द एरिया इज this guy right here tells me that it's an area. Meter square is the SI unit for area, isn't it? So let's find the area then. Let's find the area here only. Okay, so let's do the area. So the area, the curved surface area of cone is, the formula for this one was, yes,
IRL।
pi r l. I'm
IL।
writing people, right? The pi value, if it is not mentioned, we will take it as
X.
22 x
22/7।
Shashank, no Rajnikant answers, times radius times slant height, and quickly solve this one for me. Don't look at the back of the exercise, do the actual multiplication. Tell me the fractional form only, not the decimal form. Yes, multiply these.
ये 3432.
भैया
3432
13,728/7
13,728/7 meters square. This is the correct answer. Okay, if we multiply these guys. Now the 1 meter square cost, it is asking us the cost. The cost of 1 meter square is what? It's rupees 70, right? Is rupees 70.
70.
70 rupees, right? So if I will tell the cost of this one, that's why we didn't convert it into decimals, because 7 will cancel out this 70 guy. Meter square or square meter, whatever you like to call it. Okay, that's great. So 13728 divided by 7 times 70, 10. So my cost is 137280. So this is my cost in rupees. Is this clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And I wanted to mark this question number 3 important for your exam, okay, which I gave in a test, and this question number 5 as well important. Okay, so let's go for question number 5. So who will read this one for me? Yes. Shashant, read it out.
What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide
Tarpaulin.
tarpaulin
Hmm.
3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching, margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 meter. Use
Approximately. It's approximately, okay? बोल जरा approximately.
approximately
It's approximately. Repeat it.
approximately
Good. Okay. So it's approximately 20 centimeter. Use by this. Now there are a lot of things going in this question. Okay. So let's break it down. Okay, I will do it in the left part. What length of tarpaulin? 3 meter wide. Okay, so I have a tarpaulin. See, टेंट बनाने के लिए वी नीड अ क्लोथ, राइट? सो दैट इज अ टार्पलिन, जिससे हम कैनवस बनाएंगे एक्चुअली, राइट? टू मेक अ कॉनिकल। सो जैसे तुमने देखा होगा, इन ऑर्डर टू मेक क्लोथ्स हम पहले कपड़ा खरीदते हैं, ठीक है? अब तो रेडीमेड होते हैं, पहले हम कपड़ा खरीदते थे। हैव यू ऑब्जर्व दिस? कपड़ा खरीदते हैं, फिर उसको स्टिचिंग विचिंग काट वाट के थोड़ा वेस्ट हो जाता है, फिर उससे हमारी शर्ट्स बनती हैं, पैंट्स बनती हैं, राइट? So this thing, this is a kapda, raw kapda, which I will use to make the tent. Okay, and this is called tarpaulin. With a breadth of 3 meter. Wide mean breadth, and I don't know the length that I need to find. Okay, in order to make a conical tent of height 8 meters, so I have to make a conical tent. Let's make a conical tent. Here it goes. The height of my conic tent is 8 meter, and the base is 6 meter. Okay, so this guy is used to make the curved surface area, right? The tent curved surface area. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margins and wastage in cutting is itna. Okay, so what is trying to tell us that, ठीक है, पहले आप चलो इस पार्ट पे बात पे आते हैं, ठीक है? बिकॉज अभी हमारे इसी से काम चल जाएगा, and we have to take pi as 3.14. Okay, pi as 3.14. So this guy, the area of this thing will be used to cover the curved surface area of this thing, right? So that means first we need to find the curved surface area of what? So area of tarpaulin will be equal to curved surface area of cone. How many of you get this? जो मैंने अभी लिखा है? Yes. Is this okay? जो मैंने करा है?
yes
उसी से तो बनेगा मेरा cone. Okay. So first I need to find out the curved surface area of cone. Now for the curved surface area, the formula is what?
pi rl
Pi r.
IRL.
Do I have a L here? Yes.
no sir
No. So what I will do, I will quickly calculate the L, and L is nothing but the hypotenuse. So L square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, that will be 100. So L will be what? L will be 10 meters. So my L is 10 meter. So let's put the values here. Pi will be what? Yes,
3.4.
3.14 this time because the question has mentioned it. Make sure to remember this. Now R is what? 6. L is coming out to be 10. Now if I take decimals out, okay, so this will be 6 for the 20, okay, 6 for the 24, 2, 6 and 7, 8, 6 3 is 18 upon 10. So it is coming out to be 188.4. Okay, centimeter square. I think the units here are what? Meter. Okay, so meter square. Now this area will be equal to the area of tarpaulin. Okay, so area of tarpaulin is length times breadth because it's a rectangle, isn't it? Now we need to find the length. Breadth is what? 3 meter. So you can actually do this now. Let's divide by 3. Now is it divisible by 3? 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we'll take out this decimal. 3 times 10, 3, 6, 2, 8. So it is coming out to be 62.8 meter. Now let's move to this part that we were not focusing on. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin, wasted in cutting approximately 20 centimeters. So it is trying to tell us that there is some kind of an extra length that is wasted. Okay, that is actually wasted in like stitching and everything. I told you that हम जब t-shirts and pants बनाते थे पहले टाइम में, अभी भी बनाते हैं, तो उसमें क्या होता था, हम जो कपड़ा लेते हैं उसमें थोड़ा वेस्ट हो जाता है, तो इसमें बोल रहा है भाई कि इतना ये 20 सेंटीमीटर जो हमारा पार्ट है वेस्ट हो गया. ठीक है, मतलब एक्चुअली में जो लेंथ थी वो ये नहीं थी जो 62.8 आई है, एक्चुअली वो लेंथ ये ऐड होके इसमें आएगी. ठीक है, अब द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस इज इन सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज इन मीटर. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी नीड टू convert this into what?
Meter.
So it's 0.2 meter. Now let's add this guy to this because that's my actual length that was taken, right? So actual length will be length plus margin that we wasted. So 62.8 plus 0.2 will give me what? 63 meter.
Yes, I
That's my actual. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Kamna, Nirud, are you there? Sambhavi, Weber, Yash. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'm done with my fifth question. See, fifth question is very important and this session is being recorded. So just don't be
Yes,
like,
sir.
we'll get the recording. You need to like revise it today or tomorrow, unless this will be like Japanese to you later on. So let's go for sixth one. Okay, and you will tell me what's the data that is given here. Okay, one of you will read it out for me, and this time Kamna will read it out for me. Yes, Kamna, read this question, sixth. Kamna, are you there? Question number 6.
So am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 40 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meters square.
Okay. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are these. So my slant height is the first guy, the L is 25, and base diameter means D is coming out to be 14. That means my radius will be what? 7, isn't it? Find the cost of whitewashing a curved surface area. We will find out the rate later on. First, let's find out the curved surface area, right? So curved surface area, I have all my dimensions here. What's the formula for curved surface area of cone?
Pi
I'm
RL.
repeating it again so that you remember it. Pi RL. So pi, now it's not mentioned what is the value of pi, so we can take 22 by 7. R is 7, L is 25. This will cancel out. 9. If we multiply these two, what will we get? Right. So that will be 10. That will be 10 plus 4, 14, 14, 15. 2 times 2 will 4, 5. So 550 meters square. Now let's focus on the rate. It's quite confusing. The rate is quite confusing. It's not per meter square, it's per 100 meter square. Can you observe this thing?
Yes, sir.
So the rate for 100 meter square, whitewashing is like before painting, we kind of clean the surface. So that is my whitewashing you may have seen. Okay. So that's the cost is what? Cost was what? Cost was 210. That's quite cheap. मुझे भी इतने पैसे में करवा लेना चाहिए था. So if we just kind of use the binary method, unitary method, so what we will do, the 1 meter square cost will be what? Both sides will get divided by what? 100. So this
100
by 100. So it's 21 by 10. So the cost of 550, make sure to remember this 100 meter square is given, not per meter square. We have to convert it into per meter square by dividing this thing by 100. How are we converting it? See, we are just doing this. The rate is this. So if I divide 100 by here, 100 by there, no change will happen, and that will give me 1 meter square. That's kind of my unitary method that we know. Okay. So what's the cost for 550? 550 meter square whitewashing. So quickly multiply these two guys and tell me the answer. Yes.
So 155.
155.
भैया ये 1115 भैया 1115
115. Is this the one? Let's check. 5 times 1 will
Yes,
5,
sir,
5
यही
times to
आएगा.
10, 15, 5 times to 10. Okay. मेरा तो ये आ रहा है 1155 नहीं 10 ये नहीं आंसर.
ये 55 ये यही है बस गलती से हो गया ना
55.
55 मीटर सॉरी
ये 55
तो बड़े सस्ते ने करवा लिया इसने तो
तो
पूरा
one-
मेरा एक फ्लैट हो जाता मैं तो बताऊंगा इतने महंगे में करवा. ठीक है. So ये हो गया क्वेश्चन
One-
नंबर 6 भी. Let's go for question number 7. Anyone telling me something? कोई बोल रहा है कुछ? अच्छा, yesterday I heard like a cute voice of a kid. Or was it one of you people? Right? कौन था कल? Yesterday or the day before yesterday? None from you people. कहीं और से आई थी आवाज मतलब? It's like छोटी सी आवाज आई थी. Good evening sir. ऐसे कुछ. तुम में से कोई बना के बोल रहा था. हाँ? चलो अगला क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे. कह रहा है जोकर कैप इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ राइट सर्कल कोन ऑफ बेस इतना एंड हाइट इतना. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शीट रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक 10 such caps. Okay, so I have a joker cap. Okay, so we have a cap for my Weber. So this is my cap for Weber. So the height, what's the height here? The height here is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter is my height. Radius is 7 centimeter. Can you tell me what will my slant height here? Find the area of the sheet required. We will find out the area later on. Area means curved surface area because this will be opened up in order to like wear it, right? So what will my slant height here? See, you can find the slant height by using a concept called Pythagoras triplets. 7, 24 and 25 makes the Pythagoras triplet. 3, 4, 5 makes the Pythagoras triplet. 5, 12, 13 makes the Pythagoras triplet. But how do you know these Pythagoras triplets? How do you remember these? See, if you remember in 8th grade, you have something like these. Like there was a formula called like this: m square minus 1, m square plus 1. I remember it was in Kamna and I don't know, एक स्टूडेंट थे, क्या नाम है उसका, नाम भी भूल गया. ओके 2m. अरे नाम कैसे भूल गया स्टूडेंट का? क्या नाम है भाई जो क्या नाम था? ठीक है, इट वाज नीलिशा यार, नीलिशा. सो नीलिशा की बुक में था ये. ठीक है. सो अभी तो नीलिशा मस्ती कर रही है कहीं, पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो वेयर शी इज. Okay, do anyone of you know where Nilisha is right now, like in this planet or somewhere else? See, what you will do, you will put this E1 thing equal to this. Okay, so if I do this, I will get 12. Okay, now the second side, the second leg of the right angle triangle will be this. So you can get the second side from this formula and the third hypotenuse from this. Let's not go in that much detail if you don't know this formula. I'm just telling you that if you remember these triplets, this will be most often repeated. 7, 24, 25. That means L will be this time. If this was my height and radius something, so this was my slant height. If this was height and radius, this was my slant height. So that's how you can use the shortcuts actually. So my slant height, if I use Pythagoras theorem, will be what? You can actually calculate it. That will be, L will be 25, isn't it? So let's find out the curved surface here. That is pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7, R is 7, slant height is 25. Now let's quickly multiply these and tell me the answer, 25 and 22.
That's 550.
550 meters square. Now that's the area of one cap. Now we need how many caps for here? Just a second.
The into 10 yani we have 5,500.
Yeah, so to have 10 caps, area of 10 caps, we multiply this area with 10. So that will be 5,500 meters square. So that's my 7th question. Is this clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Question
Yes,
number
we are.
7th is also clear. This exercise is quite easy. Now see, what will happen? The 8th question is quite lengthy in the sense to understand it, not in the solution part. Okay. So we need to like totally understand like what is happening in my 8th question. So who will read this out for me? Okay, Vaibhav, you read it. Question number 8.
There a bus stop is dedicated from the remaining part of a road by using 15 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base of diameter of 40 centimeter, height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting these cones? Using pi is equal to 3.14 and take root 10 is equal to 1.02.
एक चीज एक बोलना भूल गया, ब्रैकेट क्लोज ब्रैकेट ओपन भी बोल देता. हाँ भैया आप बताओ मीनिंग इसकी, पढ़ तो लिया, कोई समझाओ क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन. हिंदी में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है, समझाना है, हो क्या रहा है. No one. That's sad. No one can like make me understand what's happening in the question. Someone? कोई तो मसीहा है यहाँ पे, कोई नहीं है. क्या हो रहा है क्वेश्चन में, क्या पूछ रहा है हमारा प्रश्न यहाँ पे?
सर एक बस स्टॉप का रिमेनिंग पार्ट है, उसको बैरिकेड किया हुआ है और उसके वहां पे
ये मुझे
50
समझ
होलो
नहीं
कोन्स लगाए हैं.
थोड़ा बताया था.
चलो देखो
और
मैं
वो
समझाता
कोन
हूँ.
का
आई गेट इट, थोड़ा बहुत आया तो मैं, देखो ध्यान से समझो. एक बस स्टॉप इज बैरिकेडेड फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द रोड. ओके, सो बस स्टॉप है, मान लो मेरा यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा बस स्टॉप है. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम बैरिकेडिंग इट. ओके, ओके, ऐसे करके बैरिकेड कर रहा हूँ मैं इसको विद द कोन्स. ओके, so how many cones I'm taking 50 hollow coins. Okay, 50 cones to barricade. Each cone has a base. I pick one cone now. Suppose the diameter for this one is 40, so the radius will be 20 and the height is 1 meter. Okay, now let's see if it is meter square, so I need to convert this in meter. Are people getting it? I need to convert this in meter square. So this will be 0.2 meter, right? And the height is 1 meter, so that's not a problem because it's already in meter. I saw that later on I require meter square, not centimeter square. Now if the outer side of each of these cones is to be painted, now what we will do, we need to paint these cones from the outside, ऐसे करके, right? सबको paint करना है सबको, ठीक है, 50 cones को. Okay, the cost of painting is 12 per meter square. What will cost of painting all these cones? Okay, so let's do this. हम सबसे पहले एक की निकाल लेते हैं कॉस्ट पेंट करने की, फिर 50 की निकाल लेंगे. तो एक की निकालने के लिए कॉस्ट, पहले कर्व सरफेस एरिया तो पता हो. कर्व सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, पाई आर एल. ना पाई आर एल के लिए एल नहीं पता, तो एल कैसे निकलेगा, हाइट है 1, आर है 0.2 एंड नो नीड टू वरी क्योंकि सारी कैलकुलेशंस के लिए इन्होंने बहुत इजी कर रखा है, सारी वैल्यूज दे रखी हैं. जरा लगाते हैं जरा पाइथागोरस थ्योरम और ध्यान से देखना ये क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि लगता है बच्चों को डिफिकल्ट है। इजी 1 स्क्वायर 0.2 का स्क्वायर, that will be 1 plus 0.04, so this will be 1.04. So L square is this, what will my L here? Square root of 1.04, and it's already been given. See how easy it is, it's already been given, and it will be given in your exam as well. So it's 1.02. Is this clear? How did we find slant height? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how about we put the values and calculate my curve surface area? The pi is 3.14, the radius was 0.2, and the slant height is this. Don't multiply it up till now. Okay, don't multiply it. Why? Because we need the curve surface area of 50 cones now in order to find the cost. So we will multiply this. This is the curve surface of one cone. So let's multiply it by 50 now. Let's multiply it by 50. Okay, don't multiply now. Why? We need to find the cost, right? So this is something meter square. Now the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 12. So what will be the cost of these meter square? We need to multiply it by what? 12, isn't it? Are you people getting it? The way I'm making it easy.
Yes, sir.
Cost of painting 50 cones. This link may end, so you may need to join it. So 0.2, 1.02. Okay, 50. Okay, cost of painting is 12. So we need to calculate this one now, and that is my final answer. Right, 50 times 2, 2 se 2 gaya, right? And you can now, what you can do, you can multiply all these 314,102 by 12 by 1000. So if we multiply these, you will get a number. Okay, you will get a number. I don't know what you will get. You will get this number. Okay, 384,336 divided by 1000. Now you will take these 1, 2, 3. So this will be my answer. Is this clear? Yes.